we're going to look into an important safety glazing called laminated glass. Laminated glass panes are constructed by uniting two sheets of annealed, heat-strengthened, or tempered glass with a sturdy interlayer, then applying heat and pressure to create an inseparable bond. It provides safety features that make it both less likely to break and less likely to pose a threat when broken. For security, laminated glass deters would-be intruders due to the difficulty of puncturing the interlayer. In noisy environments, laminated glass can help you turn the volume down by dampening unwanted sounds. Also, laminated glass cuts out the majority of ultraviolet rays, which slows the discoloration of interior furnishings and objects. And for hurricanes, Cardinal's Sea Storm glass is specially designed to withstand multiple impacts during the worst weather moments. If flying debris breaks the laminated pane, the fragments remain bonded to the interlayer, protecting both the occupants and the home's structural integrity. With those things in mind, let's watch how laminated glass gets produced every day. Cardinal has developed and perfected the laminating process in order to offer superior service and quality to customers. On a daily basis, raw float glass from our FG plants is delivered. A gantry continually feeds glass to the cutting table. A computerized system scores the large sheets into smaller pieces. Every portion of the glass sheet is utilized to deliver the highest yields possible. The sheets continue to the breakout area, where the glass is bumped and separated into individual pieces. Any leftover glass is collected for recycling back to the float plants. Then, seamer operators grind the edge of the glass for safety and durability. The glass then gets placed on a rack. Since particles trapped inside laminated panes can contaminate glass adhesion, a thorough washing and drying cycle is required. The final step before assembly is to add a laser logo for safety glazing certification. The glass panes now enter the dust-free, temperature-controlled clean room. Here, technicians place the interlayer on one of the panes of glass that enters. Another glass pane is fitted on top of the interlayer. Any excess then is cut away. The glass sandwich is now ready for the two-step adhesion process. First, the glass passes through a high-temperature infrared oven, which softens the interlayer material. Nip rollers squeeze the glass, removing air and creating the initial bond. At this point, the opaque glass is loaded onto a rack. The second step is the autoclave. The laminated glass enters the autoclave chamber. Here it is subjected to heat at 280 degrees Fahrenheit at more than 12 times atmospheric pressure for 2 hours. The autoclave removes residual moisture and finalizes the interlayer adhesion to the glass. Now, the product comes out clear. Technicians perform a final trim of any remaining interlayer and place the panes on the conveyor for online glass inspection. Specialized cameras check every single pane to verify that it is free of any defects. The laminated glass is then packaged for delivery. There are many reasons to choose Cardinal LG for laminated glass. For custom designs, we supply any shape or size required. Our dedication to daily testing ensures that safety and reliability are at the forefront. And we work with customers to ensure that completed window and door products pass important building and safety codes. So not only is our laminated glass reliable, you can count on Cardinal LG as a provider to deliver the safety and security your window customers need. From here, our laminated glass is transported to our other facilities, like our IG plants for complete insulating glass units.